Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Aishwarya. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You know the drill. Anyway, today's video is going to be really exciting because you guys know I love anything and everything that has to do with skincare. Skincare is my holy grail, and today's video is going to be about a mask that I've been loving nowadays. It is the Prolixer Perfect Skin Detoxifying Sea Algae Mask. That's a mouthful, but this mask I've been applying so much and it's so good. It's a beautiful, cute looking mask. I love anything and everything that's aesthetic, and this is how the packaging is. I've been applying this mask a lot nowadays. As you can see, my skin is flaring up a little bit, so to calm that down and detoxify, and this is a perfect mask for that. Comes in a really cute jar like that, a really nice pink jar with a silver cap, like the aesthetics. And the best part, it comes with a brush. Like, amazing. It comes with a face mask brush. Like, that's so amazing and that's so convenient. Like, how convenient is this? Like, you can just take the mask and apply it, and not worry about it. You can use this brush with different masks. That's amazing. And it's a really good quality brush, really soft, really nice. That's how the brush looks. I love that they give a brush with their whole pack. And the mask is a beautiful blush pink color. How the mask looks. Look how beautiful the color is. Amazing. Also, it just smells so calming. It's not really overpowering. It's just the perfect smell. It just smells amazing. I'm so excited to talk about this mask because I've been applying this so much, and you guys know already how much I love applying masks. Yeah, welcome to Mask with AB, and we're going to be reviewing the Prolixer Perfect Skin Detoxifying Skin Algae Mask. This mask is perfect whenever you need a nice detox. You feel like your skin is really clogged up, really really dirty feeling, like you feel like you have dead skin all over your face. This mask is perfect for that. Actually, clay masks are basically used whenever you want to detoxify and clarify your skin. That's where this comes, and this has such amazing ingredients. I'm going to go into that. If you have oily or combination skin, you can use this mask twice a week. If you have dry skin like me, use it once a week. Don't overdo it. Even though it's so cute, you'll feel like applying it a lot, but don't do that because it's a clay mask and it can get really drying. So if you have oily combination skin, twice a week. If you have dry skin like me, once a week, and you'll be good to go. So let's look into the ingredients of the mask. So this has hyaluronic acid, and the moment I saw hyaluronic acid, I was like, I need this, because as you guys know, I've told 1,000 times, I'm a dry skin girl. Hyaluronic acid is something that eliminates the dryness and retains the moisture of your skin, and I need that. Every dry skin girl needs that. It has diatomaceous earth, which boosts radiance and tightens your skin, and it's also because of the diatomaceous earth, it gets that really beautiful blush pinky kind of a color. So that is what gives it that color, and it helps you tighten your skin and boost your radiance. It has seaweed algae, which is one of the most important ingredients of this mask. What seaweed algae does is it removes the toxins and conditions and detoxifies your face, like keeps it really fresh. It also has vitamin C and activated charcoal. You all know how important vitamin C is for your skincare. Helps you brighten your skin, clarify your skin, keep your skin really even toned. Us brown girls have problem of pigmentation. Vitamin C helps with that, and activated charcoal detoxifies your face. See, every clay mask has activated charcoal in it because the property of activated charcoal is to eliminate the dirt and detoxify your skin. So these are the main ingredients that this mask has, and all of them do wonders for your skin. The MRP of the mask is $14.99, but right now it's available for $9.99. So the brand takes care of all the safety precautions, make sure that everything is sanitized. Delivery boys wear the masks. You do not have to order this right now, but if you want to, you can, because the company takes care of all the precautions, and I'm going to link it in the description down below, and you can go and check the safety guidelines of the company Prolixer. But yeah, that was all about the mask, and now we're going to apply the mask together and have a mask time. You guys can go grab your masks and apply it with me, and we can have a nice mask time with AB session. I'm going to talk more about how the mask feels, how it looks, and you guys will see how it looks when I remove it. It literally makes your skin a little bit more bright and a little bit more clearer and just more fresh looking, especially now that we're home and we're not going out. We can't go and get our beauty routines done. I think a good mask is your savior. Let's get applying. I've sanitized everything, so everything is sanitized, everything has been kept out, so all the safety precautions have been taken. I want to show you the consistency of the mask. It's a beautiful, smooth consistency. How pretty does that look? Amazing. I'm going to start applying it. Now, this is just a personal preference. I love masks that apply really smooth. It has nothing to do with how the mask, is actually, but also the smell is so good. Yeah, I love masks that apply really smooth and do not have a really weird consistency. I like it when it's really smooth. It's just a personal preference. I just wanted to put it out there. Also, if you have oily skin, this mask is perfect for you because it will help you tighten your pores and remove the dirt, because your pores tend to keep in a lot of dirt, like clog in a lot of dirt, which causes a lot of pimple. This helps you remove the dirt from the pores. And another really good thing about this mask is it's all parabens free, so you're applying good stuff on your face. Also good for all skin types. Sensitive skin girls out there do not need to worry at all. And just how pretty does this mask look? Like, I love how this looks. So pretty. No mask can help you remove acne, okay? Like, if any mask is like saying that, that's not true. Masks cannot help you remove acne, but they can help you like contain it, like like not go crazy. That's what masks do. They help you clear out your skin, so this definitely helps in that. And we are done applying the mask. I am done applying the mask. Also, clay masks tend to get really dry really easily because of the clay texture of it. Make sure that you close the jar really tightly, really well, so that the mask does not get really dried and you can use it for a longer time really nicely with the beautiful consistency. So make sure you close all of your masks really well, really tight. And now that I have my mask on, I'll let it sit for 15 minutes and I'm going to enjoy my coffee, enjoy the nature outside, enjoy the rainy season come awesome, and I'm going to come back when I wash it. Is drying, and I can feel, with clay masks you can feel like something is getting out of your skin, and that's the best feeling ever. The feeling of dirt coming out of your skin, the best feeling ever. So yeah, my face mask is going to completely dry now. It's going to be 15 minutes. I'm going to wash this and come back and show you how my skin is looking. I have washed the mask. Make sure you don't rub your face when you wash the mask off, because clay masks stick to your skin, so don't like rub your skin. Nicely dissolve the clay. My skin feels so fresh. I'm gonna show it to you guys. My skin feels so good. I'm sure you guys can see how like bright and clear my skin looks. That's what this mask does. I have been using this mask for the past 2 weeks now and I've been loving it so much, and I'm sure you guys will love it too. My skin feels so soft, like, yeah, it feels so soft, it feels so clear. It just feels like all the dirt has come out of my skin, and that's the best feeling ever. I have been loving this mask, and for the past 2 weeks I've just been applying this mask. When I love a mask, I just keep applying that. This has been my go-to for the past 2 weeks and I have been loving it so much, and that is how the mask fares. I hope you guys like this video and you guys got to know about a new mask that is so good. This mask had also gone really viral on Instagram, if I'm not wrong. yeah, it's a really good mask. And if you're looking for a new mask, for your skincare stash, you should definitely try the Prolixer mask out. Also, it's available for $9.99 right now, so if you want to get your hands on a deal, you can do that. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna go moisturize my skin. Make sure you moisturize your skin really well every time you apply a face mask. Don't let it go dry. I'm gonna go and do that. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys got to know something new from this video. If you did like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you really soon in my next video. Until then, bye.